In this video, I'll show you how to change your Shopify store name and URL. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings. Depending on your current admin layout, you'll usually find the option you need under General or Store Details. This is the section where Shopify keeps your business name, store information, and other core settings. To change your store name, find the part that shows your current store name and click the Edit option. Type in the new name you want to use, then save your changes. This updates the name connected to your store inside Shopify. And in many cases, it also affects the name customers see in certain parts of your storefront, email notifications, and browser tabs depending on your theme setup. Now let's talk about the URL because this is where many people get confused. Your store can have a default Shopify URL ending in myshopify.com, and it can also have a custom domain like yourstore.com. These are related, but they are not the same thing. If you want to change the website address customers visit, go to Settings, then Domains. Here you can connect an existing domain, buy a new one through Shopify, or choose which domain should be your primary domain. Your primary domain is the one Shopify shows to visitors when they land on your store. If you only update your store name, your domain does not automatically change. So if you're rebranding your business, you need to review both settings separately. Change the store name first, then decide whether you also want a new domain to match it. After updating the domain, test your homepage, product pages, and collections to make sure everything still loads correctly. It's also smart to check any links you already shared on social media, ads, or email campaigns. If needed, set up redirects so older links still send people to the right pages. That's how to change your Shopify store name and URL. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.